Здравейте, аз съм Hakan.
Аз съм Seda.
On this video, we're gonna share some tips about preparing a CV and a cover letter.
And things you should pay attention to in a job interview.
Now, let's dive in.
One, keep your resume short and direct. The number one rule of writing a resume is to keep it short and to the point. You don't always need to include every detail from your entire career history. 2. Highlight relevant skills and experiences. Using the same resume for every job you apply for is not the best approach. Instead, your resume should target a specific job you are applying for. 3. Look for keywords in the job posting. You apply for different jobs. Study each job description for keywords that show what the employer is looking for in an ideal candidate. 4. Think beyond your job duties. Your resume should reflect your accomplishments and enthusiasm for your career. 5. Use the right language to stand out. Make sure you are using strong action words. Be confident about your roles and projects. 6. List your social media profiles. Many hiring managers today screen candidates on social networks. Save them a step by providing your profile links on your resume. 7. Use a professional font. Use a basic, clean font like Arial or Times New Roman. Keep your font size between 10 and 12 points. 8. Proofread. Before sending your resume, ensure there are no spelling or grammar errors. One, do your research first. Before you start writing, find out more about the company and the specific job you want. 2. Focus on the future. The motivation letter should focus on the future and what you want to do. 3. Open strong. Start with the punchline. Why this job is exciting to you and what you bring to the table. 4. Emphasize your personal value. Hiring managers are looking for people who can help them solve problems. Drawing on the research you did earlier, show that you know what the company does and some of the challenges it faces. 5. Convey enthusiasm. Hiring managers are going to go with the candidate who has made it seem like this is their dream job. So make it clear why you want the position. 6. Watch the tone. At the same time, don't go overboard with the flattery or say anything you don't mean. Authenticity is crucial. 7. Keep it short. Keep it under a page. Shorter is better. 8. Get feedback. In fact, it's a great idea to share your motivation letter with a few people.
Firstly, understanding the job description and researching the organization. The first rule to consider in a job interview is that you meet the job criteria. Additionally, researching the institution you are applying to and its working condition will provide you with significant advantages in your preliminary preparation. Secondly, identifying with work. In order to demonstrate your suitability for the job, you must identify with the job. It is important to mention what your experience, talents, and interests are and to state your suitability for the job by emphasizing the compatibility of these criteria with the job. In job applications, you must create a profile that suits the expectations and the job. For example, you can improve yourself with a computerizing accounting course for a career in economics, business and accounting, and document your suitability for the job by adding your certificate to your CV. Thirdly, start and preparation for day. Another important issue in job application is the preparation phase. How you start your day, how you feel, and how you prepare will give you clues about how the interviews will go. Therefore, to be rested, keeping excitement and stress under control, research has been done beforehand. Transportation planning. It is important for you to go to the job interview plan prepared and on time. For practicing job interviews. Practicing job interviews and making appropriate preparation for interview questions relax you psychologically and prepares you for the situations you will encounter during the interview. 5. Clothing and colors at a job interview. It is recommended that you choose formal and serious clothes and wear them in tones such as navy blue, black, gray, and brown. This clothing style and the colors you use express the seriousness you show to your work, your suitability for the job, and that you are harmonious and prone to teamwork. Use of body language. Since your body language gives important clues about your personality, a confident upright stance, eye contact, and calm gesture and facial expressions show that you have a self-confident stance and create an important impression on the other party that you are a suitable profile for the job.